Hey guys, let's make Gojo from these simple shapes. 3 basic shapes, and we are good to find Gojo inside these shapes. Here we are going slightly inside and outside the shapes we made earlier to make Gojo face structure more defined. Remember, don't worry if it doesn't look like our character at this stage. We are just doing the outline. Do this with a lighter pencil before finalizing. Now add basic colors for face, hair, and clothing. Use a darker shade of same color if you want to show shadows on face. Notice how we have derived from our original shapes. If you look closely, the shapes always remain there. Let's watch it one more time. Don't forget to like and subscribe.